So to go over these problems on the exit ticket, you were asked to find the volumes of this pyramid as well as another figure. So this pyramid here, it does have a square base, and you could assume that these are regular polygons on the bases unless you're told otherwise, and we're really not going to have you do anything where it's otherwise. And what you're being shown here is that the slant height is 12 meters. Um, with the slant height being 12 meters, the slant height is something I use for surface area. It's not as useful for finding volume. So I'm going to need to find the height. So I had to kind of construct a right triangle in here, realizing that this vertex is right over the center of my square base. And since it is in the center, then if I go from here to the side, it should be half of the side of the square base. So this is 4.5 centimeters. The hypotenuse of this triangle I made is 12 meters. I don't know why I say centimeters there, it should be meters. So I'm just going to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what h is. And h ends up being the square root of 123.75, which really is not, a perfect square. So I'm going to leave it like that, so that when I gather the information I need for calculating the volume, which is I need to know the height, which I just calculated. The area of the base is just going to be 9 times 9, which is 81 square meters. And so when I do 1/3 of the base times the height, I do get about 300.4 cubic meters. The second figure was a cone, and a cone is basically a circular-based pyramid. It's basically, I have the exact same general formula for its volume. It's still going to be 1/3 the base times the area of the base times the height. I have the height directly, which is nice. I have the radius of the circle, which lets me figure out what the area of the base is, which is 144 pi square centimeters. The height 16 centimeters, that's given. So if I do 1/3 times 16 times 144 pi, as an exact answer, I get 768 pi cubic centimeters. For approximation, I get 2,412.7 cubic centimeters. And so those are the solutions to this. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or your teacher. But until I see you in a live lesson, or if you're one of my students that get to talk to you on the phone, I'll see you around. Have a good day.